Is your Costway Portable Air Conditioner turning off unexpectedly? Several common factors can cause this frustrating issue. Let's examine the 6 most common reasons why your air conditioner might be shutting off automatically. First, power supply problems. Your unit needs stable voltage from a dedicated outlet. Voltage fluctuations or overloaded circuits can trigger automatic shutdowns as a safety feature. Second, accidental timer activation. Many users unknowingly set the timer function, causing the unit to turn off at unexpected times. Check your display for timer indicators. Third, a full water tank. Portable air conditioners collect condensation during operation. When the internal tank fills up, the unit automatically shuts off to prevent water damage. Here's how air flows through your portable AC unit. Clean airflow is essential for proper operation. Fourth, dirty air filters blocking airflow. Clogged filters restrict air circulation, causing the unit to overheat and shut down as a protective measure. Clean filters every 2 weeks. Fifth, general overheating from poor ventilation. If air intake or exhaust vents are blocked, or if the room temperature exceeds the unit's operating range, it will shut down to prevent damage. Finally, incorrect mode or temperature settings. If the unit is set to an inappropriate mode or the temperature setting conflicts with room conditions, it may cycle off unexpectedly. Understanding these common causes is the first step to solving your AC shutdown problem. Most issues are preventable with proper maintenance and correct settings. If basic checks haven't solved the shutdown issue, the next step is inspecting your exhaust hose connection. A loose or blocked exhaust hose is a common cause of air conditioner shutdowns. Your air conditioner has specific operating temperature limits. The room temperature must be between 41 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 5 to 35 degrees Celsius for proper operation. Proper mode selection is crucial for preventing shutdowns. Your unit has 3 main operating modes: cool, fan, and dry. Set the temperature between 60.8 and 89.6 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal performance. In cool environments, your air conditioner may automatically enter defrost mode. During this process, the power LED will blink and the unit may temporarily shut down. This is normal operation, not a malfunction. Proper setup and regular maintenance prevent most shutdown issues. Always allow your unit to stand upright for 24 hours before first use. Clean the air filter every 2 weeks during regular operation. If problems persist after following these troubleshooting steps, contact a qualified technician. Understanding your air conditioning system helps you maintain it properly and recognize when professional service is needed.